Welcome to Financial Buzz Market Weekly. I'm RK Walker here at the New York Stock Exchange bringing you a review of this week's stock market. On Monday, stocks managed to just about hold even, stemming losses from the prior week, which was the worst week for markets since 2011. Oil continued trending down as concerns over slowing growth in China point to less demand for commodities. On Tuesday, the Labor Department's JOLTS report for November showed job openings were up 1.5% to 5.431 million. Oil remained weak, and reports surfaced indicating that the People's Bank of China intervened to help strengthen the yuan. Markets rallied on the news. On Wednesday, the Federal Reserve released its Beige Book, stating that consumer spending growth is moderate, held down by weakness in apparel sales. Auto sales were mixed, and wage and price inflationary pressures are low. Overall, growth was rated as modest in 9 of the 12 districts. Brent crude briefly fell below $30 a barrel and then recovered to close at $30.31 a barrel. Markets ended the day down sharply, with the Dow Industrials shedding 364 points. All three U.S. averages closed more than 10% below their 52-week highs, making the market correction official. On Thursday, jobless claims for the week ending January 9th increased 7,000 to 284,000. Import prices for December fell 1.2% and export prices fell 1.1%. Markets rallied strongly, with the Dow Industrials gaining 227 points. On Friday, the producer price index for December was down 0.2%, retail sales were down 0.1%, and industrial production was down 0.4%. Oil also dropped, and the Dow Industrial average fell more than 350 points at the open. Now let's take a look at some stocks. Shares of CyberArk Software jumped 20% Wednesday after it was reported that Checkpoint Software Technologies is in initial talks to buy CyberArk. Officials from both companies declined comment. If the deal goes through, it would be Checkpoint's largest acquisition to date. CyberArk's market cap is currently $1.2 billion. Chipotle's stock jumped more than 6% Wednesday after the popular burrito chain announced to investors and the public that they are confident that steps taken to tighten food safety will prevent future food poisoning outbreaks. Chipotle shares were down more than 44% within 3 months after the outbreak of E. coli in its restaurant chain. GoPro shares dived about 16% during midday trading on Thursday after the company reported to investors that they are going to miss revenue forecasts for the fourth quarter of 2015. The company's cameras did not sell as well as predicted during recent holiday sales, and GoPro is hoping to improve its revenue with the release of new products in the virtual reality and drone markets. Netflix was down more than 8% Wednesday after Morgan Stanley downgraded the entire tech sector to underweight. Netflix's shares were also impacted by the rumor that Apple may be interested in purchasing Time Warner, which will help the tech giant to start its own video streaming business and compete directly against Netflix. Solar City Corp shares dropped more than 13% on Thursday after Nevada regulators upheld their decision to charge fees on solar rooftops. The fees took effect January 1st, and they are threatening the development of solar rooftops in the state. This is Financial Buzz Market Weekly. I'm RK Walker, and I'll see you again next week.